Hey everyone, welcome back to English Phrases Hub, your go-to place for mastering English naturally. Today I'll be sharing 7 easy strategies to help you build confidence and speak English fluently, one step at a time. Let's get started. Strategy number 1, think in English. One of the best ways to improve fluency is to train your brain to think directly in English, rather than translating from your native language. When you think in English, you reduce the time it takes to form sentences, making your speech faster and more natural. How to practice thinking in English. Describe your surroundings. Look around and silently describe what you see, hear, and feel. Narrate your daily activities. As you go about your day, mentally explain what you're doing. Plan conversations in advance. Before meeting someone, think of what you might say. By making this a habit, English will start to feel more natural, and over time, you'll find yourself speaking with more confidence and ease. Strategy number 2, practice with short phrases, not just words. Many learners focus on memorizing individual words, but real conversations are built on phrases and expressions rather than isolated words. Learning short, commonly used phrases helps you speak more naturally and smoothly without overthinking grammar or word order. How to practice using phrases. Replace single words with common expressions. Instead of just saying hello, try hey, how's it going? Instead of yes, say yeah, that sounds good. Use phrases with verbs instead of just verbs alone. Take a seat instead of sit. I'll look into it instead of check. By practicing short, natural phrases, you'll start speaking more fluently and confidently, just like native speakers. Strategy number 3, repeat and shadow native speakers. One of the most effective ways to sound more fluent is to listen and imitate native speakers. This technique, called shadowing, helps improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking speed naturally. How to practice shadowing effectively. Step 1, choose a native speaker to listen to. Watch movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, or listen to podcasts and audiobooks. Pick speakers with clear pronunciation that you can understand easily. Step 2, listen and repeat exactly. Play a short sentence, pause, and repeat it word for word. Try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and emotion of the speaker. Step 3, shadow without pausing. Play the audio and speak at the same time as the speaker, like an echo. Focus on intonation, the rise and fall of voice, stress, and rhythm.
I'm about to have this nice, healthy breakfast.
Breakfast, you say?
Yeah, breakfast, the very first meal of the day.
Your turn, say it exactly like the actor, matching their tone. By shadowing native speakers daily, you'll develop a more natural accent, improve your listening skills, and gain confidence in speaking fluently. Strategy number 4, record yourself and listen back. Record yourself and listen to how you sound. This helps you identify areas for improvement, track your progress, and build confidence. Why should you record yourself? Helps you hear mistakes. You might notice pronunciation errors or awkward phrasing that you didn't realize while speaking. Improves pronunciation and fluency. Listening back allows you to compare your speech with native speakers. Builds confidence. The more you hear yourself speaking English, the more comfortable you'll feel. Example exercise. 1, record yourself saying, "Today, I went to the store and bought some fresh fruits." 2, listen and ask yourself, "Did I pronounce all the words clearly? Did I speak too fast or too slow?" 3, try again, making small improvements. By making this a habit, you'll become more aware of your speaking skills and make faster progress toward fluency. Strategy number 5, speak out loud every day. The more you speak English out loud, the faster you'll gain confidence and fluency. Even if you don't have a conversation partner, practicing out loud daily helps your brain and mouth get used to forming English sentences naturally. Why is this important? Boosts confidence. Speaking regularly makes you feel more comfortable using English in real situations. Improves pronunciation. Saying words out loud helps you practice how they sound. Develops fluency. The more you speak, the faster your brain processes English words and sentences. Strategy number 6, learn and use idiomatic expressions. Idioms are phrases with meanings that aren't always obvious from the words themselves. Native speakers use idioms all the time, and learning them will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Why should you learn idioms? Makes your speech more engaging. Instead of using plain language, idioms add color and personality. Helps you understand native speakers better. Many idioms appear in conversations, movies, and books. Boosts confidence in speaking. Using idioms correctly makes you sound more fluent. How to practice idioms effectively. Learn a few common idioms every week. Focus on idioms used in everyday conversations. Use them in sentences. Try making your own examples to remember them better. Listen for idioms in movies and conversations. Take note of how native speakers use them. By learning and using idioms regularly, you'll make your English more dynamic, expressive, and fluent. Strategy number 7, find a speaking partner. Engaging in real conversations is one of the quickest ways to enhance your fluency. Regular practice helps you feel more at ease and confident when expressing yourself. Why is a speaking partner important? Builds confidence. Regular conversations help you overcome hesitation and speak more naturally. Enhances real-life communication. You learn to respond smoothly in different situations, just like native speakers. Improves pronunciation and fluency. Listening to and imitating real speech makes your English sound more natural. Keeps you motivated. Having a partner keeps you accountable, makes learning interactive, and adds fun to the process. How to find and practice with a speaking partner. Use language exchange apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky. Join English-speaking groups online or in person. Practice with friends or family who know English. Talk to AI assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Set daily speaking time. 10 to 15 minutes can help. By consistently speaking with others, you'll develop fluency faster, gain confidence, and feel more comfortable in real conversations. Remember, mastering English isn't about perfection. It's about consistent practice and enjoying the journey. Use these strategies regularly and you'll see amazing progress. Which strategy will you start with today? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more English tips and phrases. Thanks for watching English Phrases Hub. See you in the next video.